Okay, what's up, everybody? Now today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for a new microphone. So when I make my other videos with tools, I'm not even supposed to be making those videos anymore. And I ordered this before I decided we were going to just do the family thing, but here it is. But when I do make those, the audio should be much better. Now, Audio-Technica, if you're familiar, they make really good products. Like I have their Audio-Technica M50X headphones, and I've had those for maybe 7 years now, maybe 7 to 8 years, and they're fantastic. So this kit here comes with some Audio-Technica headphones. These aren't M50Xs or anything, but wow, look at that! Look at that big. Okay, I'm about to say this should be because it comes with the that big boy right there, but it definitely should come with, yeah, that's an adapter. All right, so that has an adapter. These are this whole kit, this is the education pack. So these are the M20Xs. So yes, many notches down from what I already have, and they feel it too. They feel very lightweight. Do they fold up? They still fold up. No, they don't fold up like my other ones. My other ones fold up into these little small pancakes, but those feel lightweight, but I hear they're good. We'll see. And it comes with this microphone, nice weight there. All right, comes with this stand. Oh no, that's not as flimsy as I thought it was at first glance. USB cables is old school too, and then USB-C to another old school, which must go into this mic, which it does, and then a microphone holder. And I got all this for $50. Now I do have one video I want to make real quick, and we're gonna go ahead and test this bad boy out. All right, so anyway, hopefully you can hear this. I'm gonna try to not be all in the microphone like this, and I'm just gonna try to talk normally. So I haven't tried anything yet. So if it looks like I'm fumbling, it's because I am. But I want to give you guys a real life first impressions video here. Because the more you use something, you kind of like start compromising in your mind. I know what I'm used to, like with these headphones and the quality of sound of microphone. And I know you guys used to that too. So I just want to see how this is going to and I wanted to record my first impression. So, like I said, the headphones feel really light and flimsy. I wish I grabbed my M50 MXs. They're like made of metal. This is still made of like aluminum, but it's a lot of plastic, and this is rubber. I don't know what it is. The other one's just heavier and feel more substantial. So, but they hurt real bad. They squeeze your brain for like the first few months. Gotta break them in. So, no, this is good. This is not. Wow, I feel like. Do I hear myself? That sounds weird. Um, yeah. So that sounds weird, but they aren't too tight. Like this doesn't feel like it would give me a headache after a while. It just feels like it's. I don't know, snug. Like it's kind of broken in already. So anyway, let's listen to some music, preferably something with some bass. It looks like it's gonna get live right here. Oh, see the problem is that's actually coming from the computer. Okay, let's pause this. Hold on. I have this plugged into the microphone. Maybe that's why it sounds the way it does. All right. No, it's just me. So let me plug this into that. I'm like, this doesn't sound good at all. All right. Okay. It has decent sound. The bass is not hard hitting, but let's try to find something with some bass though. See, look at my face. I don't look very convinced. Like I don't look excited. So let's try this. Let's disconnect these, and I'm gonna put these cheap $16 ones on from Amazon that also have a microphone built into it. Hopefully that doesn't interfere with anything. But these have almost as good a bass as those M50X X's there. My other Audio-Technicas. So where's the? It also has this volume here. That's almost up all the way. So let's play this again. I mean, all this was just $50, but like, we gotta go see how much these cost, because I'm really not all that impressed. Let's back it up a little bit one more time. Okay, I could tell you off top what it is. These sound better. All of the instruments are very clear. It just sounds like really crisp sound. It sounds like the sound effects it sounds like that's how they were meant to sound. That sounds a lot more hollow. But again, these appear to be open back because of this, whereas these are closed, and that's probably why that sounds that way. We have to see how much these cost. I gotta see what those cost on Amazon, because that came with a microphone. The microphone that is pretty good too. These are not bad, but what are these again? The M20X. These are not bad, but I wouldn't pay more than $30 for them. I couldn't do that. $50? Nah. I ain't doing that. I couldn't do that. $50. I mean, I feel like it's amazing I got all this for $50, but these aren't bad, but they're not better than those. Even though these have all this stuff going on, the wire is long on both, but I don't know. These little $16 ones, they do the trick. They do the math. So anyway, that's that. I have one more video I'm going to make. It's a pretty quick update, but that's it for this. This is my first impressions, and we'll see how the sounds after this. I went back and I listened to it. You guys tell me what it sounds like to you. To me, it sounded pretty good. It sounded much better than my other recordings. But I wanted to show my other headphones. These things are dogged. I had them for a long time. But here's how they fold up when I'm done. I just stick them up like that, and they go inside of my little bag, which I no longer have. I don't know, it's around here somewhere. Then I could disconnect the cord, which is a lot smaller. I'm getting away from the mic too, so let's see how that sounds. But this, you can't detach the cord. It's permanent, and when you want to fold it up, that's it. This is all it is. Which, I mean, you could do this. That's pretty much it. So for $50, I mean, those are the 50s. I don't know how much those are. What am I doing? I'm actually like trying to search on Amazon using my old video. So the M50s, they're $200. I didn't pay $200 for them. I didn't, and you can get them. Okay, here they are. That was the BT2. Those must be Bluetooth. So they have a non-Bluetooth version. Yeah, 163 with a really cool hard case, multiple wires, long wires and stuff. I didn't have that. Mine were like 119. I got them on sale for like 119. Again, that was a really, really long time ago. So yeah, 160, whatever you pay them, they're almost triple the price. They're more than triple the price. So those are not bad. I don't think you'd be disappointed with it. I don't think you'd be disappointed with this mic. I wouldn't pay $50 for them. But if another deal came up where you could get both of these for $50, and if you don't need a mic, you could sell the mic, I would probably rock with that. I would for sure rock with that, because you could probably sell this microphone. I don't even know. I don't know how much this microphone costs. Like this. Let's see what does this microphone cost? And I know I didn't make the video on that. You guys gotta let me know if you like stuff like that, because I made non-tool videos and people were just not interested. Wow. This is almost $100. Okay, $80. This is $80. I got both of these for $50. I don't care. I think I'm gonna make those videos anyway, okay? Because this was a crazy deal. I got it $49.99 for both. I don't know if it was a glitch or what. I'll look it up later on. If it's still live, I'll post a link to it. If it's not, you just gotta stay tuned. So anyway, I'm done with this video. Hopefully this was informative. Again, I don't have nothing else to say. Y'all heard it. Bye.